Yo, it's Chriso from Down Under, Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. Right, what we've got here now is I've done the kitchen floor, but I have left that because it's easier to do tomorrow, and I've left that because it's easier, those cuts, it's easier to do tomorrow. I'm walking on the dry, but you must pay attention to your lines at all times to make sure it is perfect, because you can't come back tomorrow and go, uh-oh. You must make sure it's bang on, because it's going to be dry tomorrow, which it is, bang on. So we're home and hose. So now we're carrying on down here, and I plan to go into here this afternoon. Lean in, there's a bit to learn. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We're home and hose. I'll run my glue out and I'll mosey off for lunch. So now this row I'll be pulling back to me, and then that cut I'll be doing tomorrow. Easy. When you're a DIY, you can sometimes do things the wrong way round. And you look at this, and you can be in trouble. See, Yeah. So on Monday, because tomorrow's Friday, on Monday I'll be coming into here working on the bathroom and laundry. Oh, and probably a few more cuts. I'll be doing cuts on Monday, but my main thing next week will be into my bathroom here. So let's get a few more down. I've got my tiles right here with me. Dogs are still woofing. You get that? That's their job. Now I should have a clip in here, but I haven't, so I'll show you how to get away, how you do that. Right, I should have a clip in here, but my glue is dry. So what I'm going to do is have a double clip there. That's nice and flush, so it'll bring my tile up so it's nice with that edge. You don't have to have a clip everywhere. I put in a double just in case one broke. Putting my clip in there for tomorrow, and then I move along. I'm missing a clip here. Sometimes when you put them there at night time, and like I'm walking around everywhere, and you accidentally stand on one and it breaks, well, it's not the end of the world. I haven't got one there either, but this one will pull it up. If I didn't have one there, well then I'd have to put one in. If you dig what I mean. Any questions at all, please don't hesitate. If I've missed something, just ask. Can I show you again? Right, see that? I haven't got a bit of glue there in the corner. What you do is you pick some up like that, and then you have glue on your corner, on the corner of your tile. Just little tricks. That you learn over the years. Where is my rubber hammer? There it is. Always keeping an eye on your joint. That's most important. You're watching all the time. And I'll tell you what, DIYs, if you do your own tiling, you will save heaps. Dee 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 dee. All right, get the cardboard off. Buzz off cardboard. It's a bit painful, but hey, you got to do it. It's exciting. Okay, everyone, I will see you soon when I'm doing another part. We'll catch up again shortly. Don't forget to subscribe, press the subscribe button, press the bell. Soon I'll be coming out every day. You're probably saying, oh no, but lean in. We're off on a huge ride. You will learn heaps. I promise you that. We'll see ya. Bye.